Okay, so this is the overnight envelope from DC. They sent it to me yesterday. Your headphones were on so that you couldn't hear me. Hopefully you didn't cheat. But they sent it to me so that I can approve if I want this car or not. Hopefully everything is right, because if it is, you got a car. If not, I'm gonna just cancel everything and act like none of this happened. Customer. Hey babe, so can you stand right here? Just close your eyes. Stay right there.
Babe, I'm right here. I'm scared. Oh God, why?
Probably should be really scared. Keep your eyes closed. Keep them closed,
It's not a doggy.
It's definitely not a
Because I
dog.
don't hear nothing.
Definitely not a dog. Okay. Open your eyes.
What's that?
I need you to take me to the train station.
Why?
I'm leaving tonight.
Where are you going?
I got something to do.
What you mean you got something to do?
So I need you to take me to the train station,
Uh-huh.
and then I'll see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
I gotta be by myself?
Yeah.
Hey, you know I need to be
You
prepared.
got me by yourself, and I could not prepare. Could not prepare.
You said you're
Yeah.
leaving? You gotta leave?
Yeah.
When are you coming back?
And this is after I'm gone. And you don't touch me until I say you touch.
Okay, but like when you coming back?
I'll be back tomorrow.
But like what time?
Don't worry about that. Let's take that. I'll be back tomorrow. Don't ask me no questions.
But like, I gotta go to work.
Yeah, I know.
So when you come back?
I'll be back when I get back.
Oh Jesus, I'm scared.
Why you scared, babe? Tell the camera why you scared.
One, oh, it's been rolling?
Yes.
Well, one, Ben Cakes is leaving. And he usually has to give me like 2-3 days to like get myself together. Because he's not gonna be here, or I'm not gonna be here. But he just gave me like 5 minutes.
Yeah, you just got 5 minutes. So also like, don't call me.
Don't call you!
Don't call me. I'll text you.
But I can't call you? Like, can I call you and I'll FaceTime you?
No, you can't.
Call you?
You can't call me. You can't FaceTime me. Yeah. You can text me,
I don't like this.
but I may or may not text back.
Babe! I don't like this, babe.
Why not?
Because you're leaving, I gotta sleep by myself. I really don't be liking to do that.
Mm-hmm.
And then I can't call you, and I don't like to not do that either.
Yeah, so that's the deal. That's the deal.
I don't like that.
That's the
Babe,
deal.
I had you re-propose to me earlier.
Yeah, I know.
So like, so you can't leave.
I am leaving.
No.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
Okay, so Darryl told me to record, so I'm recording. He just left. We were at home, and I got home from work, and I thought maybe we were gonna go get food or something, because he told me I had to get the stuff done that I needed to get done by a certain time. And so I finished, and then he told me to close my eyes, and so I closed my eyes, and I thought he was pulling something out. I don't know. For context, today is January 13th. So today is not only my sorority's Founders Day, it also marks 3 years since Darryl proposed. and my birthday is on Sunday. So he's been hinting to, like, he's been planning some stuff. Like, we have stuff that we planned that we were gonna do for my birthday, but he's been on some other stuff. Like yesterday, he made me sit in the room after work with headphones on for an hour, or a little over an hour. No idea what he was doing. Then, like I said, today he had me close my eyes. I opened them and he had an overnight bag, and he told me I have to rush him to the Amtrak station. I have no idea where he's going, what's going on. All he said was he'll be back tomorrow. I am not to call him. I am not to FaceTime him. I can text him, and he turned his location off on his phone, because we share each other's location. He erased me from his location. And all he said was he'll be back tomorrow. Mind you, I have to go to work tomorrow. I have a hair appointment. I got an esthetician appointment, all that, get ready for my birthday. And all he said was he'll be back tomorrow. And I won't even be home till like this time tomorrow. I'm really nervous. I'm really freaking out because he's just up and gone. And this is very traumatic, but like, it's almost, I told him, I was like, it's almost like you're leaving me, or like you died or something, because like out of nowhere you're just gone. I was not expected to have to sleep alone tonight. But he's giving me a letter, and he said I can open this letter once I dropped him off. So I just dropped him off, so I'm gonna read this letter. So it says, "My love, at the very moment I am sure that you're experiencing a wealth of emotions. I never do things like this. Never will I toy with your emotions without good cause. This day and the ones to follow will be exciting. So you may be wondering where I am going, but I urge you to be very patient and mind your business. I will return tomorrow afternoon around 1700 hours." So he'll be back around 5 tomorrow. And it says, "I love you, and I'll see you soon."
Alright, so I just got to Brandon's house after being on the train. Tomorrow morning I fly out 9 in the morning tomorrow morning, so catch you there.
Good morning. So they text me this morning that I could open my second letter. So yeah, it says, "My dearest Kiarra, is uncertainty a bad thing, or can it be something that provides a host of premium emotions, reserved only for those who know their love will never do anything intentionally to snatch the daily happy feelings that he only seeks to provide? At this moment, I hope you realize that I will do all I can to make you smile. Maybe I should list 20 things that can make you smile. Small plates, wine, fall vibes, snowy mountains with a fireplace, Hamilton, thinking about Redacted because it's one of the names we chose for our kids. Probably even how I will do whatever I have to do in order for us to travel to Redacted, again, because it's a special place for us for a year. It's not 20 reasons, but 7 will have to do for now. I love you. See you soon." And the letters also have numbers on top of them. Like number 1 has a 79 next to it. And then the second letter has 80 to 200. I don't know what those numbers mean.
Alright guys, so watching this, you might not be watching it right now, but you're probably confused, but got your car keys. We got 2 of them, so we don't have to worry about one person being gone or losing keys. So we got 2 of them. We got you the Prius Prime. It's right outside. a little glare to it. As you can see, I'm very tired. So, you know, as soon as I finish up here, I'll be on my way down there. First cup of coffee of the day, because Brandon didn't have any coffee at the house. So that didn't help. That literally says that we get 97.5 miles per gallon. What? So, I'm assuming that right about now, you're sitting in that chair getting your hair done. And you're trying to come up with every scenario as to where I could be. Here's the thing. If you click on your devices, you can find your laptop, and you'll notice that your laptop is driving down 95 back home. So, or that it was in DC, or that it was at the airport, or that it was at a car lot. So if you check your devices, you cheated. But you know, it's alright. It's alright. But yeah, I'm driving back to you. This is actually kind of exciting, but also nerve-wracking because it's another bill. Alright, so I'm in North Carolina, and I think I have about an hour and a half left or something like that. So in total, this trip it's going to take 4.5 hours to get home. Crazy thing is, I still got an hour and a half left, but I've driven, about 3 hours already, and I'm only at the first line on the gas tank. It says I still have 474 miles that I can drive off this tank. This gas mileage is crazy. We're literally not going to have to put gas in this car, but maybe once a month, once every 2 months. It's crazy. But look at this. Look at that. So 474 miles left. Barely even scratched the surface on the tank. It was at a full tank when I left DC. I'm in North Carolina now, and I'm still over 3/4 of the tank full. Crazy. So right now it says that I'm charging the car with the engine. I'm putting energy back into the battery as I'm driving, which makes me be able to have 90 something miles per gallon because it's charging up and containing that hybrid mode. So that's pretty cool.
Okay, well, first off, as you can see, I look completely different than this morning. I got my hair done, I got my eyebrows done, got my lip wax, all that great stuff, because it's my birthday. But they told me to read the third letter now and sit on the bed. So okay, so by now you are probably just sitting at the edge of the bed, swinging your legs in calm panic with everything going on in the capital of DC, with all the crime that happens by police to blacks as they drive while being black. Just hang on a little longer. Enjoy the ride I am putting you through. By the end of the day, you will know that all of this was worth it. Send prayer up to 38,000 feet. I am fine. If you need assurance, just read Isaiah 32:17 in the HarperCollins Study Bible. Where is that? So I definitely have no idea what is going on. Is this it? I wonder if it's a specific Bible I'm supposed to open. We got a lot of Bibles in this house. But he said HarperCollins. I don't know. That I'm going to have to ask. Okay, so I asked if I'm supposed to read a specific Bible. And he said figure it out. So something must be in a specific Bible. That's HarperCollins. Now, we some safe folk. So we got about 10 Bibles in this house. So now I got to figure out which Bible is HarperCollins. Mind you, I got like 4 alone just from seminary. So I'm about to look through the Bibles. But I also keep seeing all these numbers. Random numbers on each of these letters. So, let's see. Okay, so I found the right Bible. It says the effects of righteousness will be peace, and the result of righteousness, quietness, and trust forever. My people will abide in a peaceful habitation, in secure dwellings, and in quiet resting places. And he told me to text me how you are feeling. So Bae came to pick me up. He came home, and then I got our bags to go to the car so we can leave. And he said, LOL JK, I rented a car. So he rented a car, and he gave me another letter. More numbers. Then it says, okay, so here I am sitting right next to you. I have ignored all of your questions and probing text messages. Thank you for not calling me like I told you not to. But the time has come to finally reveal. Oh, it's a puzzle. I don't have a pen. He didn't tell me to bring a pen.
So here I am with wifey. We finally together. Say hey.
Be a real person. I wasn't dreaming about knowing him.
Yeah, look at that hair, babe.
It's a lot.
Look at that hair.
I'm kind of annoyed with it right now. It's really long.
I like it. But yeah, it's been a long day. Maybe.
It's a long day.
Maybe. You'll see this footage. Maybe. I mean, it's a slight chance.
When I was reading your second letter, I put a lot of redacteds in there just in case.
Yeah, I saw. I saw.
You don't need to know my business.
Yeah, we did whipping.
Who does
Readers?
They got readers.
Yeah, they got readers in Charlotte. But yeah, so funny thing.
Oh, man, you vlogging the wrong way?
Purposely.
Okay.
Because you know how you gotta be intuitive. Because this might just be a different type of vlog.
Sure.
But that didn't do nothing. There we go. But so the thing is, we left the keys to the house in Greensboro.
So we have to drive back.
An hour and 33 minutes away. It's 9:37. Got 104 miles left in the gas tank. So got to drive all the way back home. And if my lovely wife feels like she can make it, she gonna drive us back here. But I'm not driving. I'm tired. It's on. That's a Christmas tree. And it's still on.
You gotta keep it down.
Good morning, babe.
Good morning, babe.
No, to this.
But they're not babe, but good morning.
Good morning.
Hold on.
Lose my pen.
I got 20 minutes.
She got 20 minutes.
It might not even come on, so I just gotta sit there with the stream on.
So, what are you about to do?
I'm about to crack babe's code.
If you can.
Yeah, if I can. If I can crack the code.
I like your outfit.
Thank you.
I like it.
Thank you.
I like your eyebrows.
Me too. So babe did a little numbering mishap. the numbers
All right.
are off by 10,
They're right.
starting at 200.
Did you get the tripod?
So, you saw our perspective from his phone, but I'm recording on mine. He bought me a car. A car. And we've been talking about buying me a car for like seriously considering it for like 2 months now. And he bought the car. And it's an electric car. Well, it's a hybrid, but it's an electric car. And it's a Prius. And I wanted a Prius. I was between 2 cars, and the Prius was one of them. I just looked at it. It's my car. And he told me it was a rental car. And he flew all the way to freaking DC and drove back yesterday. This is like the most emotion I've ever shown, like ever, on video, like ever. He bought me a car. And I drove the car yesterday. I drove it yesterday night, thinking it was a rental car. And it's my car! Wow. So, like, yeah, I guess this is where I gotta be like, yeah. I gotta let him put a baby in me at some point now. Because he bought me a car. So now I feel like I gotta have a baby now. Like, we gotta have kids. Like, I have no choice but to, like,
Is that not appropriate?
because he bought me a car.
Not at the moment. I'm gonna see if she wants something. I think it should be good. Thanks, bro. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my wifey. Happy birthday to you. Maybe even just